Hello, welcome to workwithzach.com. I'm going to help you grow any business. Multi-level, network marketing, traditional business, any club, charity, nonprofit. You can get more done faster. Let me show you. I'm going to log in to my Power Lead system, and once you've done all your initial stuff, set up your account, your information, your primary business, you can become an affiliate is optional. Set up your domain, add a picture. This isn't available yet. And then what you'll do is you'll come over to websites, you'll manage your websites. Right now I only have one in the system, but I have a subdomain that I've made. Nothing's on it yet. If I go here, this is what Work with Zach looks like, workwithzach.com. This is what my new one leads, workwithzach.com, and I'll show you how I did that. Go here to websites, domains and subdomains, manage subdomains. Go down here, just add anything you want in place of the www.workwithzach.com, and I end up with leads.workwithzach.com. And I'm going to assign it. I want to use an existing web page. Oops, sorry. Let me start the timer. And to keep it fair, I'll go back and show you manage subdomains. So you go into subdomains, you set it up, boom, create, it's done. You go to assign. Want to go here to the web pages. There's an instructional video on almost every single little thing we have that'll show you what's going on. There's also explanations and clear points on what to do. The site I'm setting up is leads, workwithzach.com, and I'm going to use this lead capture, number 3. And then just press save my choice. There's one at the top, there's one at the bottom. Just save my choice. It'll take you to, after they fill in their information on the capture page, I want them to go to this one, sales page 2. If you want to see what these look like, just click on them, it'll show you. Save my choice. Then you pick which autoresponder message series you want them to get. You do not need an external autoresponder. You don't need to buy a Weber. You don't need to use GetResponse. You don't need GVO. There, in this system, is an autoresponder built up for you to use. There's a bunch of pre-written ones, and you most certainly can custom make and import your own. Right now I want it to go to the default system. This is 27 messages, goes out over the next 100 days to anyone that signs up to that. I'm going to choose this campaign, and I'm done. If I go here to leads, workwithzach.com, my computer internet connection is a little slow, so I'm not stopping the timer yet. There, it's done. Stop. 2 minutes 13 seconds is what it took me to set up that complete sales funnel for the Power Lead system. Once you have the letters in your autoresponder built into the system, that's included, then it will start putting those messages out. So anyone can grow any business faster. And then I also happen to have this page showing up with my thing, my main opportunity, my YouTube channel, my Facebook, everything. So people can not only get this information, but they connect with me on any of these others. But that is the simple way to get leads into your system. And once you have leads, then you have permission to talk to them, to sell them, to encourage them to join your group or your club, or to learn more about your products, your services, what you have to offer. Send them coupons. Anyone can grow their business faster using this system. So just go to workwithzach.com Or you can go to the new one if you like this, at leadswithworkwithzach.com. And I will be happy to get you set up and running on this. And there is so much more than what I just showed you. I showed you 2 minutes worth. I could show you 50, 60, 70 hours worth. But that's it for now. Click on the box below, the link below, and go to workwithzach.com and find out what's going on and get involved. You can start for free, and we shortly have a free system that stays free coming up. But right now, it's $30 a month if you want all the tools that we have and the training and everything else that's in there. That's how fast you can be expanding your business. Any business. Zach out.